I trade using only the 1 hour time frame, which means that I regularly have to wake up in the middle of the night to check the charts. In the past, I'd wake up every 1 to 2 hours to check if my entry had formed. Obviously, this is really unhealthy and quite frustrating as well, because sometimes I'd wake up all night and either the entry didn't form at all, or it did and it resulted in a loss. So now, rather than having to set an alarm every hour, I get a phone call.
AUD, USD, just broken recent high of previous high.
This was Callhook Pro.
There you go. So the tool, I think it announced itself there. The tool I use is called Callhook Pro. And it gives you a phone call whenever your TradingView alert is hit. And today I'm going to show you how to get it set up. The service is $10 per month, however some countries cost a little bit more than others. For example, the Netherlands, for some reason, is quite interesting. The phone calls are a little bit more expensive to the Netherlands, so the subscription might be a little bit more. As well, at the moment, you can only pay for this software via crypto. You used to be able to pay via card, and I contacted the developer about this, and he said that he's hoping to return card payments in January, because the subscription that I have is via card. Once you've paid, you'll receive an email that looks like this with your webhook address. I've blurred out this URL as it contains my phone number. So just go on TradingView and create an alert, and when price hits this level, you'll get a phone call with your custom message. You can use it with any indicator. For example, I use it with my high and low indicator. So when highs or lows are broken, I get a phone call. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick example. So you could either set an alert on a level like this, so you can just put a horizontal line down, right click and add an alert, and you can do it this way. Another way you can set an alert is by coming to the alerts tab, hitting the plus, and going to the indicator you use. So for example, with the indicator that I use, I can get an alert when the recent high is broken. Generally, you want it to be on only once, and then this is automatically in here. And then when price breaks that level, I'll get an alert. So quickly demo this, I will put a line down here, and I want an alert only once when it crosses this horizontal ray. So let's see, I'll just put it on price right now. Yeah, so it's been triggered. I got a TradingView notification and phone call. If you have any questions, their Discord server is really helpful. So I'll link that in the comments probably. So if you enjoyed, oh, hang on, I'm getting a phone call.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.
This was Callhook Pro.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Be deliriously happy though. Please leave yourself open to me.
Okay. Be deliriously happy. I shall do my utmost.